I have had so many ideas over these few years. I've been like that since I was a child. I actually came up with ASCII when I was just 15 years old, and I didn't know that ASCII existed because I wanted to write an encoded letter to my 35-year-old boyfriend, and I didn't know how to do it, so I wrote him an encoded letter. And after that, when I started looking into coding and cybersecurity, and then I discovered that ASCII is actually a thing. And then I thought I invented it, but unfortunately I did not, but I did think it out. And there are so many other ideas I've had. And I feel sad that people disrespect me so much because I'm on drugs and I have a mental illness, apparently. And um, so I don't know why people disrespect me. They look down on me because I say I'm on drugs. When I say I'm a tuku, they look down on me, and I really don't appreciate it because I am on drugs and I do tuk. I do methamphetamine. I also do crystal meth, and I know the difference. When I smoke them, I can tell you exactly which one I smoked. When I have a runny nose, I actually smoked methamphetamine. When the taste is different and I'm tired, then it's actually crystal meth. When it's stuck, and then I actually do become hyper, not hyper, I get like this. I get actually very, very normal, which is how I'm supposed to be because it's almost like an antidepressant for me. It makes me happy. So I'm normally not like this. I'm normally not talkative. I am actually normally talkative, but I'm normally not focused on, look, anyway, I'm just happier.